Take a ride in the 2025 Traverse. Chevy Traverse is more stylish than minivans and far more fuel and space efficient than truck-based SUVs. Crossovers like the Traverse are excellent family vehicles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, alloy wheels, power liftgate, brake assist, remote keyless entry, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, traction control, rear window defroster, rear window wiper. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.